We're going to contract screen print 3,100 shirts front and back coming up. We've got a 3,100 piece order that we're working on. This isn't even all of it just yet. So we have Panda coming in to help out with duties around the shop. There's other things we need help with. Not only just the 3,100 shirts, but I'm starting to fall behind because Michelle's not here and I need help. So he's on his way. This is why I need help. Hey, look who it is!
Hello, hello.
What's up, Panda? What are you doing?
I'm not sure.
This is the help right here. Hey, did you put some of those shirts on the table?
Yeah.
Some of all those shirts over there. We don't even have a walkway. Panda! What are you doing?
Playing.
Get back to work.
Playing bub.
All right, there, Panda.
I'm ready.
Crap. I still have to watch my text.
I lift it.
I forgot how this works.
Okay, well I'm holding it just in case it falls.
Oh, it's not gonna fall. It's got a pin here. That comes out. And then, okay. Come on up with it. There we go. And then this thing goes up right there. Okay, you can drop it down. Pow! Look at that!
It doesn't fall on me.
Isn't that nice? That's like London Bridge.
It's like
Well, London Bridge is falling.
I'm gonna die.
But this is,
I'm just letting you know, man. If anything happens right now, I'm gonna die.
you heard it here first. These guys,
There's no health insurance.
oh, man.
There's no health insurance here.
I was hoping we'd be a little further along today with this job. However, we had to finish up. Our client actually just showed up and now we got a little bit of breathing space. Put some fresh pallet tape on to the press, and our client didn't approve the art until today, so the screen's literally just finished drying a moment ago. Now I'm prepping the press. I think we'll probably end up doing a couple, 2 or 3 boxes because it's already 7 p.m. The day's just flying by, and then yeah, I know, and then we still need to eat and all that. But we're gonna try and hammer out as much as we can to get the press set up. Hopefully start running off some boxes. If not, we'll at least get it set up and then we'll be prepared for tomorrow, which is Wednesday, Thursday. Hopefully it won't take more than 2 days to do 6,200 prints. We shall see. You don't think so, Shannon?
No, I do not.
You think it'll take longer?
Yes, I do.
We'll see. Who knows?
Yeah. That phase of my life is over.
Now you're just hiding.
That's what I feel like, man.
Man, look, Mom, this isn't the kind of life I want. Don't go planning ideas like that in Shannon's head that I think everything's her fault. We're calling it a day for today. We got the press all set up. Registration marks are taped off. We're hungry. I'm hungry. Panda wants to say hi.
Ah, it's been a long time.
It has been a while. Now we get to do 6,200 imprints together. Isn't that amazing?
I only come back for special occasions.
So we'll pick this vlog up tomorrow. Well, it is bright and early. Panda and Shannon are eating some breakfast tacos. We're still kind of waking up a little bit, but we're ready to tackle all this today. We'll try to see how far we can get. I've got the press warming up in warm-up mode. I think it's pretty cool when you lift the head that one of these stations just kind of resorts itself. It's pretty cool. And this will be the first time that we're printing with the head up, because normally it's just me. So Panda will be unloading over there, and I'll be loading from here. I was telling the gang I think we should load everything, unbox every shirt, and just have a huge pile of shirts. Make a great Instagram photo. Don't you think, Panda?
Yeah.
Should we do that?
Yeah.
We should. Let's do it after we knock out this first little box, and then we'll just unload
It
everything.
makes it easier anyways. I mean, then we don't have
I
to
think so, too.
unbox it and just put it on.
Shannon, what do you think?
I think that's a terrible idea.
So I guess we're not doing it. I got the press all warmed up. Shannon's got the pop punk music playing in the background, and we're gonna get this party started. UPS just backed up, probably with some more shirts. The amount of shirts just got that much more
The boxes we did
real. I don't know.
are the
There's-
boxes we just got.
All right, well, let's get back at it.
It's like,
Are they gonna bring? Are we waiting on more boxes?
I think like,
What are you doing?
would you stop it?
All right, let's take it.
We're kicking it. Freestyle.
All right, we took ourselves a little bit of a lunch break. I'm feeling good. We got about how many shirts we have printed? We have close to 1,200 shirts printed so far. Shannon's still feeling it. No, maybe not.
We're not doing it.
Panda's feeling it. This is all blurred out.
I know.
It's blurred because they're not filling it. You guys got to fill it so that way it will unblur.
The glare from my cars.
But we're gonna get back at it and keep printing the same prep over and over.
Over and over.
Well, we are finished for the day. We just about hit the mark we were after. We printed well over 1,900 shirts, close to 2,000. So I think we're in a good spot to stop today. The kids are finishing packing up the rest of the shirts.
What kids?
You guys.
I'm a
So we
man.
have all these boxes here. This is everything that I don't know if you can see it with the sun, but this is everything we managed to get printed. We have this stack over here and that we still need to do on the front, and then so we'll take care of that tomorrow and get started on the back. I forgot how to
How
do
do
the
you forget
impression.
that?
I forgot. So it is another day. We were about to start working on some shirts. Shannon's taking care of a handful of things. I think Panda's, I guess he's just waiting on us. Everything's warming up outside. Y'all ready to do about 2,000 more prints?
I'm ready.
I got the Anatol over here warming up. Got rid of some of the lint. The dryer is, I thought I had it warming up. Guess not. Looks like I just turned the power on. So we gotta wait for these things to warm up. And then we're gonna try and do another 2,000s today. I'll tell you that my back's a little sore, Panda's calves are sore, and Shannon hurt her eyeball with her contacts somehow. But we're gonna get after this. This morning I sent Panda out to get some supplies because I think it'll probably take a gallon per 1,000 for the back print. The front print hasn't really been eating up that much ink. I just toss ink in it every once in a while, just keep an eye on it. So hopefully that will be enough supplies because we have to have this finished by, we want to just be finished with it by Friday so that way we can relax Saturday and do something on Mother's Day Sunday. last shirt of the front batch.
Woo!
All right. Now I just have to tear down the press, set up the screens, and then we'll get after the backs. And as we finish those up, we can pack them away and call up our client to come get them, because there's a lot of shirts. It's just making its way outside. So we'll try and do another 1,000 today. How's that sound? Either that or we're gonna do like 1,500 tomorrow. We'll see. Well, I think that's about it for today, because these shirts are starting to wear on us. Our bodies are getting tired and we're running out of space. However, just told everybody we're just gonna pick it up tomorrow. Hopefully, I don't know, we might have to work Saturday. We'll see. But I think everybody's a little poop. Time to eat some dinner. And we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next vlog. Day of 3,100 shirts front and back. It's another day. It is Friday. We're gonna start getting after this. I'm getting the press all set up. Hey Panda, you wanna install the flattening screen? You wanna give that a whirl? Take this screen here. Yeah, this one. And then slide it into here, like that.
Oh.
And then slide it into the holders there.
Damn it.
What happened? Oh, you got crap all over your hand?
No.
Oh, that's terrible. Not. Oh man, you didn't come dressed to not get dirty.
Not this.
You know, every single time. All right. So that's a good spot there. All right, now lock these handles down. Just pull them forward. There we go. And then the other one. We'll set this one up here. And then install this one this way. And this is the flood bar. So pick that up and install it back here, but you're gonna install it like this. So put this part up in there. Put that part up in there and then just push it back. You need to move it over. You need to center this within there.
Ow.
Here, let me show you this one here. All right, so you stick it up in there and then you're gonna push it back like that.
Ow.
All right, so I'm gonna undo it and then you give it a whirl. All right, can you reach around? Here, pull this closer. There we go, let's do this. Pull that closer to you. There you go. Pop it in there. Now, do the same thing with this one. It's fine, we'll recenter it. I'll show you how to recenter it. This one's gonna pop in, so you're gonna slide this one in like this, and you're gonna pull it back towards you. You just rock. Hold on. Look, see, you didn't have it in there completely.
Well, I don't know what you want me to do.
All right, so stick that. There you go. See, that was pretty simple once you had it in there.
It was confusing.
Words from Panda. It was a little confusing once you had it in there, right? But it popped in pretty easy.
It's like when you have your. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna.
All right, I'm gonna try some white lithium grease. So we'll see how this goes. Got the press warming up.
Face first or back face first?
So you're gonna face the front sticking up. The side we already printed. There we go. Yes, there we go. There, Fire. There was a caterpillar that would have jumped up the stairs. All right, we took a little bit of a break.
They didn't really respond.
Got Chris here to help out.
Yeah, we're going because
Panda's still here.
Mom.
Shannon's kind of hanging in there. Okay. There's Ron, we're helping him out.
So I was like,
the
well, they didn't respond.
conveyor dryer to
I want to use that. I think it's a good idea. So I presented it to you.
dry some of his shirts. We're gonna get after it again.
So,
We spent last
and then after
And
I said
hopefully
that,
these back prints will go faster with Chris's
so I
help.
was like, oh.
It is another day, and we're down to the last couple of shirts that were taken off the press, and I'll tell you, this job has kind of exhausted us. There's the last shirt going down. Our client has come and he's picked up at least half. I'd say about half of them. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Let us know down in the comments how you would go about handling an order like this, as far as unboxing, how many people you would have on the press, how you would go about making sure the press is inked up, all that jazz. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later.